Let's talk to our first product expert, Robin. Robin, welcome.
Hi, Andrew.
All right, Robin, you're not only a product expert, you are an architect by training, correct?
Yep.
So you know exactly how these tools work and what they can do.
Yep.
So let's dive in.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
First live demo in how many years?
For my what? In how many years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A long time.
Long time.
It's going to be great. What could go wrong?
Nothing will go wrong.
All right.
Be positive.
All right. So the first thing I'll do is launch Forma Building Design. Starting a design is super easy. All I do is select these Forma masses and convert them to detailed buildings. And that will give them facades such as windows as well as exteriors. So let's go ahead and explore the facade for this tower. I'm going to go ahead and add a automation module and apply a couple of different window variations, as well as exterior features like balconies. And even,
all right, so I just have to interrupt you for just a second here.
Yes.
So I want you to notice she's exploring ideas. She's not modeling. The system's modeling for her. She's exploring her ideas. Right? And you're going to see more and more of this today and more of this in the future. So sorry, Robin, continue.
Yeah, and that gives us more time to create better proposals. It's less time modeling. And even though we're working at a high level of detail, I can still run fast and accurate analyses like daylight potential. So daylight potential is going to give us a score, letting us know if we're achieving adequate daylight coming through a window. So the lighter the blue means we're performing better. Darker means we might want to address. See any problem areas?
Yeah, you don't want to be in that back building.
Yeah, right here. So let's go ahead and try and fix that. I'm going to go and push this mask back and rerun the analysis. So let's see if this improves the conditions. Perfect.
All right.
So we can monitor these real-time analyses for daylight and sunlight exposure. And we can also do total carbon too, but we'll have to save that for another time.
So all of this is in real time. You're adding more and more progressive details of the design, exploring more and more design options, but you still have access to all of these real-time analysis.
100%.
All right, Robin, don't go anywhere. We're not done with you. All right, thank you. Everybody, so far so good? First demo done. Live code, ladies and gentlemen, live code, pre-beta. In addition to what Robin just showed you, there are even more new building design capabilities we're adding to Forma. I'm proud to announce that we're bringing new generative AI tools to you. They're based on our leading AI foundation models that offer novel ways to explore solutions and generate geometry. We call this technology neural technology. Let's see what it looks like in action. All right, back to Robin. All right, Robin, here we go again.
Yep.
All right, what are you going to show us this time?
We're 1 for 1.
1 for 1.
All right, so now that we've explored the exteriors of the buildings, let's go inside to see how we can organize the interior layout. As you can see, I'm not starting from scratch here. All the previous data from earlier project phases is right here. I'm just going to set a few key parameters. So for building type, I'll do residential multifamily, and primary structure material, I'll choose wood. I'll go ahead and click generate. And the AI will create an interior layout for me. OK, so let's see what it gave me. We have 36 units, pretty good unit mix as well. But I think we can optimize this for a little bit more units. What do you think?
More units is better. More housing is better.
Totally agree. All right, so let me go ahead and expand the mass just a bit more. And now for the primary structure material, I'll choose concrete and regenerate. And we've bumped it up to 56 units, which seems pretty good to me. What do you think?
OK, looks good.
All right, now that we've optimized the floor plan, we can come into the floor plan mode and move some of the walls and the columns that the AI gave me, because all of this is editable. And with this time back, we can run something that many of our customers have been asking for a very long time: interior daylight.
All right, look at that, all in real time.
So fetch.
Again, so fetch. That's very cool. So again, the model's generated for you, and you just get to keep exploring.
Yep.
You're not modeling, you're exploring.
And we're optimizing.
And you're optimizing. And you get real-time analysis with it. So, Robin, thank you very much. Everybody, give Robin a hand.